The use of 3D mapping technology is transforming the way large events are policed and could help tackle crime black spots in our towns and cities. Devon and Cornwall Police says it's the first force in the world to use the technology, creating virtual maps to enable officers to look inside buildings. John Danks has more.
The G7 summit in Cornwall, a massive security operation involving thousands of police. But months before world leaders set foot in Carbis Bay, the interiors of key venues were captured using this device.
What we're able to do is we're allowed to create a digital twin of the inside of every venue, and we can have that as a briefing tool. What we don't want is officers constantly travelling down there when they don't need to.
Police also captured images from drones to build a comprehensive 3D model of Carbis Bay and St Ives. Here, the areas of green showing what would be visible from a certain point on the map.
You can run a car in that world and analyse every window that could view that car as it ran through that world. You could put where you think every single gun might be and see where that coverage is. You can really analyse that environment.
The same process can be applied to planning for large sporting events. There's also scope to use this computer modelling to address problem areas in towns and cities.
We've worked with partners, including the councils and some of the areas where we've got these detailed maps, to understand crime trends and crime hotspots. Why did a crime happen in that location? How can we engineer out to prevent that or deter or mitigate against those crimes happening again?
Devon and Cornwall Police recently picked up an international award for their G7 mapping work. Their innovation in security planning is now being looked at by the Home Office. John Danks, BBC Spotlight, Exeter.